Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to make clove, ginger, hair growth oil for alopecia, thinning hair, graying hair, and if you're having a challenge with breakage, it will stimulate hair growth. Yes, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel and make sure that you watch this video until to the end. To my 197 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Yes, make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. So we are going to use some clove, as you can see, and we are going to use some pure ground ginger. So you can actually get these herbs from Indian stores or any, spice shops. Yes, they can be found in your areas or wherever you live, or online, eBay or Amazon. So we are going for 30 grams of our clove and 20 grams of our ginger. You can even use fresh ginger, but I opted to go for dry ginger powder. Yes, either way, they really work well. But for ginger, you can actually use a preservative because there could be some kind of water in it. And we're going to use our grapeseed oil. That is 50 grams of our grapeseed oil. You can go in with whatever oil you love. You can even use coconut oil, argan oil, olive oil, castor oil, quite a number of oils. So we are going to use a blender. I'm going to pour in all the ingredients into the blender, and then we are going to blend. So clove has been an important part of our Vedic and traditional medicine to cure various problems. Benefits of clove contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to growth and strengthen your hair. It protects the scalp from dandruff, which is usually a major cause of weak and thinning hair. So clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. So with the presence of vitamin K in cloves, there is a better blood circulation which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also prevents premature graying of hair due to its antioxidants. The compound eugenol found in clove helps to promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to hair shaft when applied regularly. So clove has powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties. They can help get your hair thick and help your hair to grow well. Ginger stimulates hair growth. It acts as a natural remedy to promote growth, and ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp. As a result, ginger stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair root and follicles. Additionally, the many fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals present in ginger can strengthen your hair strands, which prevents hair loss. It also, treats dandruff. Yes, ginger has antiseptic properties that can help in getting rid of dandruff. It will also strengthen your hair and promote hair growth. So now our oil is actually ready. We are straining it. And of course, you have to make sure that you put it on low setting because you wouldn't want to burn your herbs. So like I said, it on low heat and let it leave it on the heat for 20 minutes. So that is how it looks like. I love how it is well combined. Have you seen, friends? So it's going to really work well for our hair. So like I even did a video on 5 benefits of clove. I'll link that video in the description box below. And I also made clove, deep strengthening conditioner. So like I did a research on on clove as well as ginger. I love researching before I start using any product. So we just transferred our oil into the applicator bottle. So an applicator bottle is actually convenient, because it really helps to apply your oils in sections, even on your scalp. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more and hit the notification bell so that every time we upload, you'll be notified. So make sure that you come back for videos every day on this channel. I upload videos every day. So we are trying to grow out our channel in as much as I love sharing. Yes. So actually you can use this oil to pre-shampoo, hot oil treatments, add it to your deep conditioner, seal in the moisture. So at this point, I'm just going to use it on our edges. It helps to grow back thinning hair and bald patches. This is very, very important. Yes, and I'm going to massage. Yes, I love massaging because massaging promotes hair growth and it stimulates blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So, of course, like I mentioned earlier on, there are many uses on how you can use this powerful, powerful ginger clove, oil. Yes, you can add it to your deep conditioner to enhance your deep conditioner. So like of course I don't love applying oil on my scalp with the intention of not of course rinsing it out. So like I'm using a minimal amount so that we don't clog our pores on the scalp. So you can actually use this for pre-shampoo, whereby you just warm your oil, apply it in section to dry hair, leave it on for hours, and then you rinse it out. Or you can use it as a sealant. Yes. So are you going to try out clove ginger oil? Comment in the section below. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.